What happens when you get a bride, a maid of honor, a flower girl, a mother of the bride, and the best cousin in the whole world together? We go to Ikea! Whoa. This is Ikea! And my mom's head. Cheers to what's going to be a long shopping day. Because when you find a wedding dress, then you have to go to Ikea. Yeah, you gotta get some things to match my dress. Welcome to Ikea! I like this stuff already. Look, Haley. Where to begin?
So the carpet itself is 102 centimeters.
Oh my God. The big white one? My mom likes this light. Oh my God. Welcome to my living room. In case you forget which way you're going. This gentleman wants to say hi. Because there's no word for look in French. Alright, Kevin, bedroom furniture. This is what I'm looking for, right? Which one is the one he wants? I think that's the dresser. Yep, this is the one. This will, I guess, be our future bedroom.
Oh, this is so cute.
This is the dresser Kevin wants for himself. With the 2 drawers at the top. And then these inside. There you go, Kev. He wanted me to show him what it looked like. Now you can see. But there's other dressers too. There's a big, huge, tall one. And
Oh, see, those are cool.
night tables. And the actual bed. I guess this will be my bedroom next year. minus all the pillows. Oh, it's so cool how they build like a little. Hey, say hi. Hello. We're at Ikea. Woo. What? Where are you? From my mom. We are not where you are, bub. Tell her lighting. Yeah.
Yeah. And you go find it.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So all your beds, all your furniture, chairs, stuff like that, is like basically this is where it's stored. So there's computer stations.
To help you find stuff?
So you type in or whatever and they'll tell you where.
Oh my god. Whoa. That's my dresser. Then Kevin's gonna put a wall mirror sideways over it, like in my living room. Yeah. Bounce, 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 bounce,